Hi everyone, welcome back. We're here at 3914 Braewood Court, located in Tarzana at 3,850 square feet. Lots of natural light through this home, beautiful wooden floors. Walk into the pool area. As you can see, wonderful space to entertain your guests. You've got the pool. In the back, you've got a hammock. Plenty of room to sit out, hang out, and have some great food. Over here, we've got the game room, a great place to tell all the family stories. It's actually a separate private entrance to a mother-in-law suite, or what we like to do these days a lot of times is Airbnb. Perfect area. You've got the gray floors leading up to this unit. It's very warm and welcoming. The ceilings are vaulted and beautiful. You've got a lot of windows here with natural light. The kitchen is a great size. Nice countertops. It even has a skylight above. Love it. So as we come down, we've got a bathroom, and we've also got the bedroom here. This is the perfect Airbnb. Not only does the bedroom have an access to the balcony, so does the living area. And we'll go ahead and walk out and take a quick look after you. Perfect place to relax with the family. So guys, that's a little bonus that I wanted to share with you. Let's go check out the rest of this property. So you've got some gardening that you can do here on the side. This is one of my favorite spots. It's actually a deck that overlooks the golf course. It gets you even closer, and you've got a mountain view surrounding. So let's go on and take a look. We've got a beautiful view here, north side of the valley there, mountains, golf course. Amazing. All right, everyone. Well, we look forward to seeing you here Saturday between the hours of 12 and 4. We'll have an open house where you can roam around this large property and take advantage of these beautiful views. It's 3,850 square feet. This is at 1.7. It's a 5-bedroom home. Look forward to seeing you there.